Now let us write down steps to draw this object in the AutoCAD. Steps to draw object in AutoCAD. So first step is enter the command. So our command is line in the command prompt and press enter button. So system will ask us specify first point. So the first point is A. First point is A and coordinates of a point A are 2, 1 and press enter button. So the first point, that is point A, is located by the AutoCAD. So next AutoCAD will ask us specify for next point. Next point is B and coordinates for this B are @3 angle 0, @3 angle 0 and press enter button. So this line A to B will be drawn by the AutoCAD. So next, to draw this line B to C, again system will ask us specify next point. So the next point is @2 angle 90, @2 angle 90 and press enter button. So the line B to C will be drawn by the AutoCAD. Now to draw this line C to D, we must enter these coordinates @5 at an angle 126.87. So the system will ask us specify next point and in the command prompt enter the coordinates of point C for @5 angle 126.87 and press enter button. So the line C to D will be drawn. So next AutoCAD will ask us specify next point is @6 angle 270 degrees, @6 angle 270 degrees and press enter button. So this line D to A will be drawn by the AutoCAD. Now to see the whole object in the AutoCAD, finally press the enter button and this object will be in front of you. Now let us draw the above object in the AutoCAD by using the polar coordinate system. Go to command prompt and enter line and press enter. System will ask us specify first point. So our first point is 2, 1 and press enter. So first point A is located in the AutoCAD. Now the system is asking us specify next point. You can see next point is @3 angle is 0. So while mentioning angle, use less than symbol. Once again I will repeat, while mentioning the angle in the polar coordinate system, use less than symbol and write down the angle 0 and press enter. So line A to B is drawn by the AutoCAD. Now system is asking us specify next point. So our next point is @2 less than 90. Less than means angle here and press enter. So line B to C is drawn by the AutoCAD. Again system is asking us specify next point. So our next point is 5 @5 angle 126.87, then press enter button. C to D is drawn by the AutoCAD. Now to draw the line D to A, enter the next point in the command prompt. The next point is @6 less than at an angle 270. Enter. So the whole object is drawn in front of you. Now save this object, go to the tab A, select fourth option, save as, click on drawing and select required drive and folder. And provide the suitable name to this drawing, POLAR, polar underscore object 1. I have provided name as an polar underscore object 1 to this drawing and press save button. So this drawing will be saved into the drive of your computer. So this is how you can draw the object in the AutoCAD by using the polar coordinate system.